Hello student, I am Satish Tyagi to teach you subject physics, some important formula, class 12th, chapter number 3, part number 5. I have tell you 19 formula before 40 videos. Now I am telling to you formula number 20. Formula number 20 is relation between small r, capital E and V. When this is the when cell will be discharged. Suppose any cell will be discharged, then V equal to E minus I into R. Here this is the cell, this is the internal resistance, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, this is the EMF of the cell, this is the internal resistance of the cell, this is the external resistance of the circuit, this is the key, and this is the external resistance, and this is the switch. In this condition, if the cell is give the current in the circuit, then formula is this. Formula is this, where V is the potential difference across the external resistance. This is the potential difference of the across the external resistance. E is the EMF of the cell. Small r is the internal resistance of the cell. I is the flow of the current. This is the circuit of. And when the cell will charging, सपोज मैं सेल को कोई चार्ज करा रहा हूँ, यानी कि बैटरी चार्ज हो रही है, देन द फॉर्मूला V इक्वल टू E प्लस I into R. This is formula. In this here, when cell will be charging, then external potential यानी कि V greater than EMF of the cell, and when the cell is give the current in the circuit, then V less than E. Now I am telling to you formula number 21. Formula number 21, combination of the cell. Formula number 21, combination of the cell. If the n cells are connected in series, this is the combination of the cells in series. And this is the external resistance of the circuit, this is the key, and this is the here, this is the positive negative, and internal resistance R each cell, and EMF of the each cell is E, and external resistance is R, and current is I. This is the key. When the key is closed, then the current I equal to N capital E upon capital R plus N R, where N is the number of cells which are connected in series, and E is the EMF of the each cell, and small r is the internal resistance of the each cell, and capital R the external resistance of the circuit. Now I am telling to you formula number B part of the question 21. This is the first A part of the question. When the cells are connected in parallel, here these cells are connected in parallel. This is the EMF of the cell. EMF of the cell. And this is the external resistance, this is the internal resistance of the cell, and M cell are connected in parallel. This is the circuit of the cell parallel combination. We know that in parallel combination, each cell positive are connected at a one point and negative are connected at a other point. Here, flow of the current in the circuit I equal to M E upon R plus M R. M is the number of cells which are connected in parallel. E is the EMF of the each cell, and small r is the internal resistance of the each cell, and capital R is the external resistance of the circuit. Now I am telling to you formula number 22. The formula number 22 is balanced Wheatstone bridge. This is the balanced Wheatstone bridge. P Q R S. This is the galvanometer. In balanced Wheatstone set, Wheatstone base, the no current is flow in this diagonal. When the current is I1 and current is I2, and current is here I1 and here I2. In balanced condition of the Wheatstone bridge, no current is flow in this diagonal, and galvanometer deflection is 0. Then P upon Q equal to R upon S. Resistance of P upon Q equal to R upon S. Now I am telling next formula, meter bridge. Next formula, meter bridge. That is formula number 23. This is the meter bridge. This is the resistance box RB. This is the unknown resistance, that is S. that is S. This is the 1 meter length of the wire. This is the 1 meter of the 1 meter length of the wire. So this bridge is called meter bridge. Due to length of the wire is 1 meter, so this bridge is called meter bridge. This is the midpoint. Here, this is the galvanometer G, and this is the jockey, and this is the length L1, and this is the length 100 minus L. This is the length L, and this is the 100 minus L length. Here this is the in this circuit. In this circuit, let this is the R, this is the P, and this is the Q. So, using the meter bridge, this is the work according to the Wheatstone bridge. This meter bridge is work according to the work Wheatstone, balanced Wheatstone bridge. Let this is the P resistance, this is the Q resistance, this is the R, this is the S. So according to the Wheatstone bridge, P upon Q equal to R upon S. Here we put the value of P upon Q, L upon 100 minus L equal to R upon S. From this we calculate S equal to R ब्रैकेट में 100 minus L upon L. This is this formula. Now I am telling to you formula number 24. The formula number 24 is comparing of EMF of two cells, दो सेलों के EMF का कंपेयर करना by the potentiometer. Formula number 24. दो सेल हैं. Suppose this is the one cell, this is the second cell. These are connected in circuit, and this is the potential cell, and these are the battery. Here, this is the E1 and this is the E2. In this, when this is the K1 and this is the K2. If when K1 is on, then length of wire is L. This is the galvanometer and this is the null point. Length is L. Galvanometer. In this, if E1 equal to K L1 and each similarly, if cell E2 is connected in the circuit, then E2 equal to K L2. Then this E1 upon E2 equal to L1 upon L2. This is the comparison of the EMF of the two cells by the potentiometer. Now I am telling to you formula number 24. 24 EMF, internal resistance of the cell by the with the help of the potentiometer. Formula number 25 is small r equal to capital R ब्रैकेट में L1 upon L2 minus 1. We are using this formula. Now I am telling to you formula number 26. Formula number 26 Kirchhoff's first law. Kirchhoff's first law क्या है? Kirchhoff's first law. Sigma I equal to 0. Suppose this is the point of junction of the many wires. This is the point of junction. ये point of junction है. Current flow I1, I2 and current is going I3 and I4. Here incoming is positive point of junction. ये point of junction है जहां पर करंट आ रही है. पॉइंट ऑफ जंक्शन जहां पर करंट आ रही है और जहां से जा रही है, इसे पॉइंट ऑफ जंक्शन कहते हैं. आने वाली करंट को पॉजिटिव साइन से लेंगे, जाने वाली करंट को निगेटिव साइन से लेंगे. तो आने वाली करंट क्या है यहाँ I1 प्लस I2 पॉइंट ऑफ जंक्शन. जाने वाली ये दो करंट है निगेटिव साइन से माइनस विद साइन और टू इक्वल टू 0. Here I1 plus I2 equal to I3 plus I4. So we say that incoming of the cell of the pointer, incoming the current of the point of junction is equal to the outgoing of the current from the junction. Net current I equal to 0. The incoming is positive sign and outgoing is negative sign. Now I am telling to you formula number 2 Kirchhoff's law. The formula number 2 of the Kirchhoff's law, here delta V equal to sigma IR equal to 0. If suppose this is a circuit, E is the EMF of the circuit and R, this is the internal resistance of the circuit and this is the out of current. This is the R1 and this is the R2. This is the A, B, C, D, E, P, Q. In this circuit, in the loop A, B, C, D, P, A, B, C, D, P, Q, A. This is the A loop. Current is here I1 and here I2 and is here I1. Then I into I2, then I2 into R, I2 into R plus I1 into small r equal to E. Now I have finished the all formulas of this chapter, and you see these formulas are many times. Then you calculate the all numericals of this chapters. Thank you.